How to get a Whataburger promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Whataburger promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get promo code for Whataburger. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Simply Codes. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Whataburger. Just scroll down and check out the offers. Then you can hit towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just click on use code and hit towards the website of Whataburger, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for Whataburger. So this way you can easily get promo codes for Whataburger. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.